Hello students, welcome in this video. This is the continuous class of chapter 7, which is percentage. We have done 7.1 and in this video we will do 7.2. So let's get started. The chapter 7, exercise 7.2. This is exercise 7.2. I'm going to give you most of the question and some questions are for your homework that will be mentioned in the video. This is 7.2. Question number 1 is, what percent of first quantity is the second quantity? It means how much percent is 4 of 2000? How can we write it? Suppose x percent of 2000 equals to 4. The equation will be like that. X percent of 2000 equals to 4. X percent, we can write it x upon 100. Of means multiplication. 2000 equals to 4. 00 by 00. We are having here 20x equals to 4. Now x equals to 4 upon 20. 5 4s are 20. It means 1 upon 5. The answer is 0.2%. That is your answer. Now the next question is, it is rupees 2.80, rupees 0.56. It means how much percent is 0.56 of 2.80? Suppose x percent of 2.80 equals to 0.56. X percent equals to x upon 100. Of means multiplication. 2.80 equals to 0.56. We need to find out the value of x. So x multiplied by 2.80, it's 2.80x equals to, this is in division, I'm going to take it after equation, after equals to 0.56 into 100. Now x equals to 0.56 into 100 upon 2.80. Because after decimal here 2 digits and denominator after decimal here is 2 digits, so cancel the decimal. Now 0 by 0, 28 2s are 56. 2 into 10, 20%. Answer. Let's do our next question. That is question number C. 3.5 liter. How much percent of 630 ml of 3. How much percent is 630 ml of 3.5 liter? Here is ml. See the quantity. Here is ml and here is liter. Here is milliliter. Here is liter. First we will convert this into milliliter. So 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. Now 3.5 liter equals to 3.5 into 1000 ml. It means 3500 milliliter. Now suppose x percent of 3500 ml equals to 630 ml. So x upon 100 multiplied by 3500 equals to 630. Cancel the 0 and 00. We have here 35x equals to 630. Now x equals to 630 upon 35. 7 5s are 35. 90. So x equals to 18 5s are 90, 18% answer. Now the next question is, here is given in mixed fraction. First we will convert it into improper fraction. 7 3s are 21, 21 and 2, 21 and 1, 22 upon 3 kg, and 5 2s are 10 and 1, 11 upon 2 kg. Now x percent of 22 upon 3 equals to 11 upon 2. X percent means x upon 100 into 22 upon 3 equals to 11 upon 2. Now 22x equals to 11 into 300. 100 into 3 equals to 300 upon 2. Now x equals to 11 into 300, 22 into 2. 11 2s are 22, 150, 150 upon 2, 75%. X equals to 75% answer. Now next question. Question number second is, find the following. Find the value of 15% of rupees 80. 15%, 15%, 100 of multiplication rupees 80. 10 by 10, 15 upon 10 into 8. You can cancel it by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 2 4s are 8. So 3 into 4 equals to rupees 12 answer. Question number B is for your homework because A and B both are almost same. C. 8 1 upon 3 of 4 dozen. So 1 dozen equals to 12 pieces. 4 dozen equals to 12 into 4, 48 pieces. It means 8 3s are 24 and 1 25 upon 3 of percent 3 upon 100 into 48. 4 25 4s are 100 and 4. So 4 is answer. Next is D. 30% of 1 liter 20 ml. First we will convert it into milliliter. So 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter 20 milliliter equals to 1000 plus 20 milliliter. It means 1020 milliliter. Now 30% of 1020 milliliter, 30%, 30 upon 100 multiplied by 1020 milliliter. 10 by 10, 10 by 10, we have 3 into 102, 3 2s are 6, 0, 3 ml answer. Let's do our third question. Question number third is, increase the value of each quantity by given percentage. Means if we increase 3.5% of 500, then what will be the final value? So first we will find here 3.4% of 500. I'm going to find out here 3.4% of 500. 3 after removing the decimal 10 and after removing the symbol of percentage, it is 100 into 500. Cancel double zero by double zero. 5 twos are 10 and 17 twos are 34. So rupees 17. But how much it is increased? 17. So increased equals to 500 plus 17. The answer is 517. C question. It means 16 upon 23% of 2400. When we will increase that percentage of 2400, what will be the final value? So first we will find 16.162 upon 3% of 2400. 16.2 upon 3% of 2400. 16 threes are 48 and 2. 50 upon 3. After removing the symbol of percentage, it is 100 into 2400. Cancel double zero by double zero. 8 threes are 24. 50 into 8 equals to 400. Now right here increased. We will add this value in that. So 2400 plus 400. Answer is 2800. Question number B is for your homework because A and B both are almost same. Now I am giving you question number D. That is question number 3rd B. 11.20 meter by 25%. 11.20 decimal is increased 25%. So 25% of 11.2, 25 upon 100 into 11.20 or removing the decimal 100. 25 fours are 100. Cancel this number. That is 4 twos are 8. 8 0. So we have here 280 upon 100. Cancel the last 0. 2.8 meter. Now the final value is 11.20 plus 2.8. Increased 11.20 plus 2.8 meter. The answer is 14 meter. Next to our 4th question. This is the next question. 4th, decrease the value of each quantity by percentage. In our last question we have increased the value. So we had added the numbers. Here decrease the value. So we will subtract the number. First we will find out 12.5% of 50. So 12.5, it means 120 upon 10 and 4% 100 into 50. 20. 125 upon 20. We can cancel it by 4. Decrease the value. It means 50 minus 6.25. 50 minus 6.25. The answer is 43.75. Now question number D is 15 kg by 16.2 upon 3%. So find out the 16.2 upon 3% of 50 kg. It is 50 upon 3 into 100 into 15. 3 5s are 15. 1 0 by 1 0. 5 2s are 10. So 5 upon 2, it means 2.5. Now decrease equals to 15 minus 2.5. Answer is 12.5. Now question number 5th. In this question number B and C for your homework, and last question number 5th. This is the last word problem of 7.2, question number 5. 13 1 upon 3% of an amount is 520. It means amount is not given. What is the 312 upon 13% of the same amount? Suppose the amount is equals to x. So 13 1 upon 3% of x is rupees 520. 40 upon 3 into x equals to rupees 520. Now 40x equals to 520 x into 3, this one 3, 520 into 3 upon 40, 10 by 10. 13 1 upon 3% of x equals to 520. So 40 upon 3, and for the percentage it is 100, into x equals to 520. 40x equals to 520 into 300. Now x equals to 520 into 300 upon 40. 10 by 10. 52 into 300 upon 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are. So 13 up into 300, 3900. X equals to rupees 3900. It means the amount is 3900. Now we will find 312 upon 13% of 3900. We had found amount equals to rupees 3900. Now we will find 312 upon 13% of 3900. So 312 upon 13% of 3900. This is your first answer. In this question, 2 questions are there. Find out the amount and find out the 312 upon 13% of that amount. So amount we had found 3900. Now this one is 51 upon 13, and for percentage 100 into 3900. Cancel the double zero. 13 3s are 3900. So 51 into 3. 3 1s are 3. 5 3s are 15. Now second answer is rupees 153. Here we have completed chapter 7. In next video we will do chapter 8, that is profit and loss. Till then, goodbye.